Hello YouTube! So in today's video I'm going to be working under the hood. I'm going to be installing some LED strips because this truck didn't come with some lights, so I'm going to be installing these. So make sure you guys stay tuned and here we go!
Dirty Dudes!
Alright, so those lights I'm going to be installing with a magnetic switch instead of a throttle switch. As you can see, the magnetic pull. So how this works, I'm going to actually connect the negative wire to the magnetic switch. And what the magnet actually is going to do is open and close the switch. So these LED strips are installed with some double stick tape. I already installed the top one, as you can see. It's gonna be going right here. The other one is gonna be connected from here all the way over here. And the magnetic switch, I'm actually gonna put that one over here. Like I said, to connect the one that actually connected to the wires. And the magnet, I'm gonna put it up here. And these are the connectors I'm using for the LED strip. There are actually two connections right here, and they go right here, negative with negative, positive with positive. The black negative and the red is gonna be the positive. It's an easy little. Alright, so that's going to be the second light strip, as you can see. That's going to be the other one. Now I'm just going to run the wires. I'm not going to use a switch again, like I said, so I'm going to be using the magnetic switch. And I'm going to connect it to the positive to the fuse box. Alright, so my ground is going to be on the first one. It's going to say COM, and the negative side of the lights are going to be connected to the last one. It's going to be the one that says N.O, as you can see. Connected to my fuse, and we got light. And as you can see, I get the magnet close to it and it turns off the light. It closes off the connection. So now I'm just gonna splice these to the running wires, and I'll be done. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm going to show you guys the... Alright my dude, it is day 2. Yesterday actually got dark on me, so today I'm going to be finishing up. I already stick the other light strip. So today I'm just going to be organizing the wires, and I'm actually going to be bolting up the magnetic switch. So let's keep this video going, guys, and here we go. Alright guys, so I'm going to do a little test run before I start bolting and running all the wires where they go. Once again guys, I'm not a certified technician. I do this for entertainment reasons only. But if you can learn from it, go ahead and don't be scared to work on your truck. Once again, this truck didn't come with the lights. That's one of the reasons I'm going to do it. So I could be checking my oil, checking my fluid, and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a little test run. Like I said, I already have my positive lead to the power source. But it's going to be the fuse box with a 15 amp fuse. And then my ground is going to be going right here. Probably have to adjust this little clip, and my negative is bolted over here. And this is going to be your magnet. And then as you can see, once the magnet gets clear, the lights turn off. So I'm going to be using some double stick tape. I'm going to put this one right here. And I'm going to put this one right here. And then I'm going to be organizing these wires. And I'm going to be using the double stick tape before I actually start using some little self-tapping screws. I'm going to do a pilot hole and then put those self-tapping screws, just so I won't have the difficult time screwing in those self-tappers. If you guys are curious why I always end up working on the cars at the end of the day, it's because we get up to the 100, 106. So it's super hot over here in South Texas. That's one of the reasons I always end up working on the cars at the end of the day. So I'll give you a little example. On this week, we're expecting a cold front and we're going to be dropping to 95. So that's kind of cool for South Texas. So that's one of the reasons I always end up working at the cars at the end of the day. All right, so I already tucked in all the wires, as you can see. I'm gonna buy a little plugs here with that hold the wires. All right, as you can see, I already have all the wires organized. I ran the wires through the bottom here to my fuse box. Now I just need to find a location for the actual switch. So what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna put this one right here. And be closing the hood. Hopefully this sticks to the top of the hood. I'm gonna keep an eye on those wires because they are really close to. I'll probably zip tie them over here. So that is gonna be my magnetic switch, and it's gonna be the one that actually closes the circuit. I'm gonna show you how this works. There you go. As you can see, as soon as I close that gap, the lights turn off. So that's pretty cool. Once again, well, alright guys, there you go. Hopefully you find this video useful. Like always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I got plenty more projects working on this truck. So, thank you.